Hey guys, going on to example 3. I hope you guys are following. If you are kind of lost, I hope this last video will help you out. Again, just look at what I'm doing, follow my steps, and you should be on your way to scoring a perfect score on that CFU coming up, right? All right, so last example. Again, what is the first thing I'm doing, guys? In every one of these problems, the first thing I'm always doing is labeling my sides. The small side, we know, is across a 30-degree angle. That's going to be S. I don't know what it is, right? Because that's Y. So that's going to be my S. My medium side, or why did I say my hypotenuse? I know what that is. I know what that is. Yay. That's going to be S. I'm sorry, 2S, right? Because that's the small side, so the hypotenuse is actually 2 times whatever this is. So this is 2S right here. And then this one over here is going to be S square root of 3. And I have no idea what it is because, again, these are variables. You don't know what those are. You have to figure those out yourself, okay? So now, here, I don't know this. I can't do anything with that. I don't know what S is. I can't do anything with that. I know what 2S is. What is 2S, guys? Equal to this right here, right? These are the same. So what are you going to do? Set up an equation, folks. Set up an equation. I'm going to write it over right here. So 2S is equal to 6 times the square root of 3. What do you do? What are you trying to solve for? What are you solving for? What are you solving for? You're solving for S. Once you get S, you know what that is. So I'm going to go ahead and divide by what? 2 on both sides. If I divide this by 2, I know what am I going to buy? I know that I'm going to get this by itself. So S equals 6 times square root of 3 over 2. But can I simplify this guy? I sure can. So 6 divided by 2 is 3 times the square root of 3. Yay, so I figured out what S is. So this side over here, that's this side. But now I know what S is. S is equal to 3 square root of 3. So I got this side over here too. Now, last but not least, I need to go ahead and figure out what this is. So what are you going to do? You know S is equal to this. Plug it in right there. So 3 square root of 3 times, so that's this right here, times whatever I have right here, times the square root of 3. So what can you multiply? Again, radical with radical. So that's square root of 9. So I'm going to have square root of 9 and then the 3 right here. What's the square root of 9? You guys know that is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. And that, my friends, is your answer. Now you have all sides. So that X right there is 9. The Y is 3 square root of 3. And this one was already given to you, which is 6 square root of 3. Hope it helps. Have a good one. Bye.